Everybody, how's it going? This is Jennifer and I'm here today to do a Material World unboxing. If you do not know me or do not know anything about me, I am a wardrobe stylist here in San Diego, California, and I've been doing this for 11 years and I've been working in the fashion industry for 25 years. So I know my stuff, and I subscribe to Material World. It's the only subscription service I do. I'm super picky, and I don't have a hard time letting other people pick out my wardrobe because I've been doing it for so long. But I love the surprise of this, and I also love the fact that you get more for less. So Material World sends you like new and new contemporary and designer apparel, accessories, and shoes if you want them. And I've been subscribing to them for months, and I really like them. I usually keep one or two things per box. I just did a video on how to fill out your profile, so I will link to that below. And the reason I did that is someone asked for it, but also I have a different perspective being a stylist. I kind of understand why they're asking you the questions they're asking, and so I explained that in the video and why I answered the way I did. Also, if you like the things I'm getting in my box, you might want to tweak your profile to mirror mine or resemble mine in some way. So what you get in your Material World box: invoice, bag to return what you don't keep, or to send in items that you own that you want to consign. Everyone's watching that, oh my gosh, what's her name? Oh, the art of tidying. It's on Netflix. If you haven't watched it, you have to watch it. It's adorable. Marie Kondo. Marie is so precious. When I read that book a couple years ago, I was like, this woman is like OCD. She's like, when then I watched her Netflix show. Oh my god, my dog. I'm gonna pause. My dog hopefully won't bark again. All right, so if you watch that Marie Kondo on Netflix, it's so cute. You have to watch it. But this is a list of things that they take, and so this might be a good time to go watch Netflix, get motivated to clean out your closet, and then send a list of things, or send in the things that you don't want to keep. All right, let's go on to my box. This month was one of my favorite boxes I've ever had. The first thing I got is these Alexis shorts. They're nice and thick. They're like a gosh, I don't know what this material is. It's like a heavy weave, and they're a cool print. They're polyester. Oh, it says it has a silk lining, but anyway, they're not lined. So I'm not keeping these because they're a medium and they were too big for me. I'm not really sure why they sent me a medium. It's not in my profile, but if they were my size, I would have kept them. So, and there was, when they send you the preview, there's no way to say like, I don't want this because it's a small or a medium or large. So I took them thinking, oh, maybe they know that they run small, but they didn't. So that's why I accepted them, because I thought they were cute. Next, these pants are so cute. So cute. These are D squared 2. They are wool trousers. They're tapered, cropped, and they are have a longer rise, so they're a little slouchy, which is super in right now. The only reason I'm not keeping these is because they're wool, and the wool is scratchy and they're not lined. So I'm not going to wear scratchy wool pants, and I'm not even that sensitive. So people who are more, well, maybe I am. Maybe I'm getting more sensitive as I get older. So these pants are $70 through Material World. And the Alexis shorts, I forgot to tell you, were $60. Okay, let's do this romper. This romper is super cute. Has a lot of feminine, pretty details, but it's black. Everyone loves black. Has some embroidery. It has a big ruffle, and it's a tie waist. It's a short romper, so it's shorts. And the reason I'm not keeping this is because it was too small in the bust. That happens to me a lot. Whenever pieces fit me in the hips, they do not fit me in the bust. So I am not keeping them. This was originally, it's brand new with tags, $590. And if you buy it through Material World, it's $190. So obviously it's an amazing deal. It's $400 off. You can't go wrong with that. So I'm going to show you the piece I am keeping. I love this Lawn Fawn t-shirt. I love the fawn pattern on it. I love the sparkle. I like all the fun details. I like the raw hem, the raw edges. I think it's super fun. I will happily wear this. It has like a little sequin corsage right here. This is totally up my alley. And this is a Lanvin, it's a French designer, and that shirt is $65. And they give you a discount if you, a 20% discount if you keep everything. So this whole box, if I kept everything, would be $412, just so you get an idea of what things cost. Okay, so next are these are brand new, beautiful suede shoes. These are a super nice silhouette. These go with a lot. These shoes you could wear with everything. I love them, and they're brand new too. And you can see the label, and they came with the dust bag too. So these shoes are $130. This is a nice high-end brand. They carry this brand at like Neiman Marcus. The reason I'm not keeping these is they are a little high and not super comfy. If they had been comfortable, I would have kept them there. So I just really, really liked these. But I walk so much for work that I cannot settle and wear shoes that are not comfortable. So that's the reason I'm not keeping them. I hope you guys enjoy this box. If you have any questions about Material World or my boxes that I've received, please let me know. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know you like it so I can make more. And please subscribe to my channel because I would love to be able to teach you some of the things that I've learned in my last 25 years of working in this industry. Take care, have an amazing day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.